In a remarkable breakthrough, the Montreal police have finally cracked a cold case that has haunted them for nearly 17 years. On September 17, 2025, the Service de Police de la Ville de Montreal, SPVM, announced that they have identified the murderer of Catherine Daviau, a 26-year-old woman whose life was tragically cut short in December 2008 in her own home located in the Rosemont-La Petite-Patrie neighborhood. The investigation revealed that the DNA of Jacques Bolduc, who passed away from natural causes in 2021 while serving time for robbery and attempted murder at the Archambault institution, matched the genetic material collected from the crime scene. This significant development was made possible through the collaboration of the SPVM and the Forensic Sciences and Legal Medicine Laboratory, LSJML, of the Quebec Ministry of Public Security. Utilizing the innovative technique of genetic genealogy, Catherine Daviau was discovered brutally murdered in her apartment on 5th Avenue, close to Masson Street, on December 11, 2008. It is believed that the crime occurred in the evening hours. Following the murder, the perpetrator attempted to destroy evidence by setting fire to the apartment before fleeing the scene. Investigators were able to collect DNA evidence during their examination of the crime scene, which ultimately led them to Bolduc. Interestingly, police confirmed that Bolduc was not related to Daviau. Reports indicate that he had contacted her just days prior to the murder, after she had posted her car for sale on an online classifieds platform. With Bolduc no longer alive, the SPVM's identification of him as the killer effectively closes this cold case, meaning there will be no court proceedings. Commander Melanie Dupont, head of the Major Crimes Section, expressed the determination of the police force, stating, "Over the years, several investigative strategies have been deployed, and hundreds of pieces of information have been processed to solve the murder of Ms. Catherine Daviau. We never gave up, and genetic genealogy finally allowed us to definitively identify the perpetrator of this horrific crime." She also extended her condolences to Daviau's family, hoping that this announcement would provide them with some solace during their grieving process. The lengthy investigation benefited significantly from advancements in genetic genealogy, which enabled investigators to construct family trees and identify potential relatives of the suspect. This method allowed them to cross-reference Bolduc's DNA with profiles in genealogy databases, leading to this pivotal discovery. Suzanne Marquand, Senior Executive Director of the LSJML, noted, "For the past 17 years, the laboratory's scientists have worked in collaboration with the SPVM to complete this investigation. The arrival of innovative DNA technologies has helped solve the murder of Catherine Daviau. This can be seen as a source of hope for all those still waiting for answers." Looking ahead, Dupont emphasized the commitment of law enforcement to solve other unsolved murders, stating, "Our goal in the coming years is to leave no stone unturned and take advantage of the new tools at our disposal. What motivates investigators is to bring justice to the victims and provide answers to grieving families." This case raises important questions about the role of technology in solving crimes and the ethical implications of using genetic genealogy in investigations. What do you think about the use of such advanced techniques in law enforcement? Do you believe it strikes the right balance between justice and privacy? Share your thoughts in the comments.